Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing here at Red Gum Studios. Today we are doing a photo shoot. I think we have about 7 or 8 cars coming along. Anyways, we're the first ones up. We're here with the 57 Chevy, the red sled as it's come to known. We are all wiped down, ready to go inside. They're preparing the turntable. Just kind of walk along here. There's going to be some other cars coming along. Kind of a neat little place. Easy to miss, so make sure that you're watching where you're going when the guys are coming out here. If you're watching this, it's an easy turn in to miss. It's like right at the corner of Red Gum and Mariloma, so it's easy to miss. I missed it myself. So we're gonna have a bunch of cars coming in here. We're just kind of walking back in the studio here, and what we're going to be doing is doing a turntable. And what this allows us to do is put a car on there and spin it around. Here, I'll just kind of walk in here behind the scenes. Coming in through here, guys are getting all set up, and that's the turntable. So you just pull the car on there and it spins around. I don't know if you can see it, but you can barely see a little outline there. So we'll be doing this pretty much most of the day until about 3:30. I think 3 o'clock is actually our last shoot. Once we get the first ones done, we'll just start cranking them out. We've got a nice neat little backdrop here for the parking spots, so we got plenty of room for all the cars that are coming along, and hopefully we'll have a good day and things will go smoothly. Like I said, the 57 Chevy is the first one up, so she's all wiped down, ready to go inside. We'll do some final prep when she gets under the lights, and check back from time to time. I'll be featuring some of the other cars that will be coming in, and should be a good day. Thank you.